I'm gonna for I'm the chia mubia. Yeah, Tiasi and young fasted than Benjamin. The maybe say, you see a decacra. To what time you know? Then you follow me. Me topica me deba. Na yes, you know, I'm a tune didn't say, Unya coupon. Obo ni pada senino o manimra anase wa manimra brofunu you say did God created man without giving him a law or rules? Em say argument no ni say onyankopon ne bo ni panyina ani mo nyina Bitimaka say 97% population of Ghana. You bitimaka say when you couple on a ball ni pada seni and a bomb when you na e bi mu kire say o boy ye no wa mayemra omu kire say Bible na e kita ye no sa Bible we say no omu kire say enye nyame asem especially Bukaya Ali Mushe e kire say Bible no enye nyame asema. Enti se Bible no enye nyame asem de a, ne de se Onyankopon wa ma nipa da sani emra. Na emu no o kire se o ma common sense. Enti mi bisa se Onyankopon bo nipa da sani no wa ma ni mra na. Sa asem we se no na pese bi no di ho kom. Na me pese menye prejudice me just say menji chiri wa bo tima pose me de bibie ni wa metie see ya na metie me sire wa bi wa dwemu clear de tie e bia na yampa se Onyankopon ama emre bia e bi nso a na yampa na omu kire se me mu ni din mo si kire se you have common sense. Na ono or you free thinking man. And you know, person obi hanso you free thinking man. Okay. And you know, you be say home. When Onyankopon mayemra, anase wa mayemra, or boy keke. Say obia for common sense. Enante ana. Now, before say meto aso no, me pese ye define the meaning of sa word no. Common sense. Bia na common sense no na ye nti ase bia na no because o kire se watiku a fe common sense family. Common sense family but wo me hwe ye ka say common sense common sense one, the ability to make sound judgment, discernment. Say would be at all na we say okay we na ye me fa we na ye and I say we never boy me. That is true. Understanding. Say no we say na meti ase. Number 3, number 4 intelligent. Say utimi intelligent ka say oh say na me say me ye. And I say what should you now say and I me dey me judgment you know etie. And if the power of reason and any free no common sense. Onyankopon bo nipa nyina emma no sa ability to make that decision. One more to say roboto and zombie. Sa Onyankopon bo sa and kebe to say robot because we are no why we know our we are no actually but oboyen say nipa de sani bia say ye free moral agent to do what? To choose. Why make decision? Say me fa say. Emwa krampo no Onyankopon ma to extend. Say omo atemi decision. Yes, emwa. And then I said, you can say common sense, the ability to make decision. That's what you mean by common sense. So what's me boy? You zoo or ben menina, ma menina you zoo. Udi bomodia na koho na kobisa na catch get men say, oh, moi the only common sense in me bana me jata be diabo. And you will see the result. He will make that jata. It will make a decision. Yes. And in moi. Common sense. Nipa da seni so no onyame boye nyina. In a way say we have the ability to decide. That's what we mean by common sense. Now, number 2 point. Say emwa etimi ma decision. Nipa so timi ma decision I feel the common sense. Then what is the difference between animals and human beings? 2, Onyankopon be judge animals ana. Obe judge human beings ana nipa de seni obe judge woman na we say no and e bi kire say Onyankopon wa ma ye mra e bi say se bible no nya nyame asem dia de say Onyankopon wa ye den wa ma obia mra. And the question is what is the difference between we human being and a more? Because you know almost 99%, maybe 99.5%. Eji tu say Onyankopon emmoa omo wire mu no wa ma omo bra. Obia di ni mra so, obia no pe no ye. Ukọ wire mu a ni ajata pe no ye. Ni lion leopard open no ye. We say elephant open no ye. Obia decided his own. Bebuana. Yes. That is what a human animal kingdom. Now I didn't know Onyankopon enjeji wo. Na nipa de seni no. Ye be say ehun say Onyankopon be jeje ana say on jeje. Say Moses just said Onyankopon amaye mra na say Bible we say no enye nyame asem dia. Na dey say Onyankopon won yesu no why dey wa amaye mra. Na dey say Onyankopon on jeje. Because where there is no law, there is no what? Judgment. Say Onyankopon amaye mra. Say oboyen say obia decided nya be say oya. Na dey say Onyankopon on judge nipa de seni bia. E bi say Onyankopon yetia on judge mo an say wa ma omomra. Enti yen bi say say ye nipa de seni so wa maye mra na. So wa maye mra dia, then there shouldn't be the difference between ye nipa de seni and moa. Ebiu se wa maye mra dia na hwana pa de timi sori gina o see ye nipa de seni ni de ye mra. If you say Onyankopon boy nyina the same. And it's Onyankopon na oboye no because the pot cannot ask or tell the potter. No ye didn't say, why have you make me this way? And I say, minimina sanse. It can never happen. So Onyankopon obo nipa de seni bo mo nyina no. Say ye nipa de seni no si yetimachi aye mra kire ye ho. Na ko Onyankopon amaye mra de a. Na say ye no ye be say kire say Onyankopon no ye nimunya sanse no. Me boana. Yes. Because what timi sorry jina ho mosi timi sorry be jina on ka say ye hye obie ni ope. Yes, okasa enso no wo hye mrase. Wo hye gana mrase. Okoba bia wo hye mrase. And say okase I am free thinking man now. What say you have the ability to make decision. But still no, you are under a law. But say any part of saying ye timi ma ye mra, ye ho mra. Na you see, need to say ye chere say Onyankopon na kaza na kura bon ye nyime na sanse no. Say na so Onyankopon so amaye mra de a. Na onipa de seni because me no nyina no we have the same nature. Wutimi ma me mra. Me so me timi ma mra. Ndi say obia decide na e say we den we. Me boa. This obia ni a obeye bia no e okay for you because there's mra bia ni o. Sanity ye Onyankopon amaye mra. Bible you see enye nyame adwuma, enye nyame asem. Onyankopon amaye mra bia nti bia e fa na adwen and decide And so na ko so bo bia and yin nyina so we are all not the same obia na adwen this any the same nia obesusu no yes na me mesusu and so na ko amman mra the next nia meye bia no right nia obeye bia no so right of course say obia nyakopon o se nyakopon enjeje obia enti nia all no be decide no ma no ade me so me go decide power ni bi obia wo bi enti no ntimi me gina studio hono enka say ade na we say why after all when you go on judge obia God is not going to judge anybody but the question is say you be say who say ade na go amma mmoa law emra ade no amfa mmoa wa mamwa if you say ni o amwa wa mom to say nipa da ono no so emo onyakobo anka say let us make man in our image, let us make animal in our image nemu no can say let us make man in our image so aboa ya mboni to say onyakobo mboni say this so nemu nipa da say ni de obon to say ni so erinti na wo hu ni nipa da say ni aya we say, really, no, we are a copy of God. Abo yare ultimi san ho yare. Abo timi no aduane. Abo timi wo hwe ne nipa me say because they cut technology asema e bia me wiempo. Ultimi say na say wo hwe ne nyame boss no asase star mu wo body pa da selina then it means say nipa da seni we are a copy of God. Na ebisa won say God no oye moral being ana say oye nipa bia oye being bia no wa body part say ni wudi na ope bia ye of course ye bisa yo o mayemra ana say wa mayemra na mo mi hwe ye ka say emra as it say law and established rule ye ka say emra and established rule decreed by a high or a state, a system of moral principle. And he can say moral now. That is a distinction between good and bad. Behavior based on a sense of right and wrong. A system of moral principle. Onyankopon otisa na se otisa. Oye moral being na. So Onyankopon ye moral being dia, dey nipa de seni oboye. Na mo me bisa won se so Onyankopon etimi aboni pa de seni, ma nipa de seni timi tra ho ka se onyame wo ho. Onipa de seni etimi atra ho asusu se no. Me decide say. Wa my deciding decision no. Na che se wa my emra. So Onyankopon my emra dia. Eni ne se obi anjeje obi a. Onya no. So Onyankopon my emra dia. Eni ne se obi ani ho a so eden ojeje obi a. Ni a obeye no na wa waye ama ho. We su no be decide no. We decide man ho. Say Onyankopon my emra dia. Enti na nche se me no meba abetra ha say aka say wo antina me ya de me say because Onyankopon my emra. Engineer obi abeye bia no ono na adwemu ono no ni disi ni chese eye mana no aye usu ni awdu fi se ni eye ma no waye no waye ehu nya se oba betra studio no aka se ali na waye say no enya no this is what ye ka say emre ni wa that is the result. So we can say emra Onyankopon amamra no bia emfa ni common sense yin adwuma common sense so yin decision Onyankopon so bo ni pede ni bia na question is say won say eya na ye say common sense say ye obi ya dey say ni nyansa na you don't have brain won say ani e kasa there is a common sense in say obi all brain na otimi decide good and bad but that is not the meaning of common sense because emoa omuso mu brain no ye wo money bi ho no ma omuso omu brain ebi ni chimpanzee o brain no chimpanzee o brain dolphin o brain elephant o brain monkey araguta onuso o brain pig baleine sabwa fish kes ebi no onuso no o brain dog cat omu nyina o brain It is okay to be so funny on funny or anything on ya. Oh, Chese, I didn't and Edrina. Oh, Nimia Okano. Oh, Nimia can common sense, yes, it will be a wide view. No. Common sense have to make decision. Now you be saying, say, what made the decision? Eh, why Dinana? Say, why do you need there? And more should make decision. And money be what more almost no me then. Oh, common sense. Anything you come yes, you can, a kind, or say, be wise as serpent. Saka or walk. Or nyasa. Be wise as serpent and be harmless as dove. And I will come Proverbs chapter 6. Proverbs chapter 6, verse 5 now. Or say in tetia. Or see in quadrifo, contetia, na kusunya den, nyansa. There is a one almost adrio, nyasa. But that is not the meaning of common sense. So common sense is ability to decide. To decide what? And you know, nipa da senino, mommy can say, and yet a dream way a poverty, or he said, I say no, no. We beside the one with it, say, Bible not just say, man was made in the likeness of God. What is the meaning? Baby, understand? What is the meaning of man was made in the likeness of God? I say, likeness of God means the attribute of God, the character of God. And then beside say, can you name me some of the character? I say, no, God think, God speak, God work. You know? I say, okay, it's okay. And then beside say, Onipa da seni. Which part of the body and a thinking? Oh, I see the brain. Oh, madam, so now I see the brain. And I see the brain. You think it's the brain that thinks? And I beside say, okay, say brain in a thinking they are. And yet, beside question we say, Onyankopon our brain ana. Onyankopon our brain. I see there be. Onyankopon our anu. Or tekrema or kasa. I see there be. But so you win, and you know how does God talk? How? After the you say God is a spirit. Let me say God is a spirit. You see, God doesn't have brain, He doesn't have tongue, He doesn't have hand, but He speaks. He thinks. So what things? That is God is a spirit. So when we say that, which part of the body thinks now? And yet the brain no. And you know. It is not the brain that thinks. And to be said, beside the biom said, Onyakopon any brain to say wo any me, oni tekrema, oni ano to say wo flesh we say oni bi. And you know, menzo no timi kasa. And you know, say Onyakopon or your spirit. There's a spirit now all can. And you know, all can say we are created in the likeness of God. Na beside. I say no, it's a character. And I'm catching and say, and your brain on a castle. The brain. So, me could be sad, doctor. We say, which part of the body thinks? Now, I'm catching and say, your brain. Or catch him say, no, the brain, and your brain, they think you. Or see, the brain control the thought. You see, the one I'm sure, and I'm saying, Muntie and okay. Or see, the brain control our thought, memory. And speech. Or see the brain control. And you say brain thinking, no control. Or see the movement of our arms, legs. And then the deformation to many of the organs. Sana brain, and your brain we say na bow to me think you. No. And to be aware that me catch and say, and you know, say and your brain na thinking there. That's when Jacob say he created man in the likeness of God. They are not then they thinking. I feel that you are okay. Tell me. I'm so okay. You go 1 Corinthians chapter 2, verse 11. Bisu bichiro abeje you say I okay you go. And you go on, and be 1 Corinthians chapter 2, verse 11. Or say, for who knows a person's thought? Who knows a person's thought except the spirit of that person which is in him? Or see, one in him will be near ordering. Or see, me near Adrian, Esu Nimia me dream. I just spirit na woni mu no. any nim you thinking or chese ye no ono no Paul ono esuafo no omu nim ni Onyankopon asem no kan a gise ho kronkron no any nim ni Onyankopon epe say oye omu choro enti ho kronkron na yi ama wo enti no odi woman spirit no example say the same thing ye nipa na seni no mimi nim ya wo dwen wo so nim ya me dwen I just say the spirit that in you knows what you think. And you know, the spirit in a way you know, and no, and a dream. And yes, our body way thought I mean brain a boy in a dream. Into a couple of boy and my spirit. Spirit you need decide. Not brain or eye then. And they control. They send information called the whole body, including the spinner. And no, is different from animals. And then the man different from animals. And then they make me yet brain technology now and more to me, you know, because we have God-like spirit. And you know, Yakupon or boy and say, Yem Nakake, ye may any pana, or my spirit and say, ye may any pana, or the one I'm not ever the bone. She also warm or you're not the hospital, and then I dream, you see, the brain and your must not own. Because the brain is dead, he cannot control. You see, he cannot control the information and send to the body. You know, the house but in your brain, they're thinking, I hear the spirit that is in you. And you say, who the spirit goes to God. And you see, when you're coupon, I might him radia. Then they say, and then they say, oh, Paul say, let us eat and drink. Tomorrow we die. Then they say, Obiko Kuni, Obiko Ninilba, Eko da. And I said, oh yeah, papa, and I say, where are your papa? Say, yeah, say, na, and they say, Mosi, ya crasa wabi jrawabeka. Now, kind they. What's the pastor of why you say, where you say, Wamu disika? No, say, yeah, because God is not going to judge them. No, be a judge you, or be a son got you up. And you know, oh, how hunkake. Yeah, so Becassa. And not true, no. So, Nakopo, my Mradia, then let everyone be free agent to choose whatever you want to do. Meanwhile, so Yakopo my embra, yes, Babu and Yamiasembia, Abraham Moses, let everybody think. So be thinking say on the Sikakobo software, it's not your business. So me think say minim Sikakobo way, and your business. What think say the Bible and Yamiasem. Okay, it's fine for you. Don't come and post your decision on somebody. That is the point. So coming to the studio and saying that where I say Bible, why Bible no nyamia say obi say nyamia say obejedi. So what's the difference? What is the difference there? You are all the same. Because there's nothing that's going to happen to that person. There's nothing that's going to happen to that if there's no law. But if there is a law, then that is where we need to ask ourselves. If there is a law, then who gives that law? Nipa de seni krampo no yetimi akase yetimi hu se e o se ma ye ho lo nipa de seni nem se yidin nasa so nyame ana na me bisa ne se me bisa be kan se bi o ha se o se bible no nyame ase me bisa me kotu one passage bi so o se bible no de ye ntro nko a me bisa one passage ni e wo first Peter chapter 2 verse 13 to 15 o se be subject to the Lord sake to every human institution, whether it be to the emperor as supreme, or to the governors as sent by him to punish those who do evil and to praise those who do good. 15. I see, for this is the will of God, that by doing good you should put to silence the ignorance of the foolish people. We say, I say, you know, who see Bible name nyame say, who bet you have a studio aka say, say we intro, and to obey not obey the government. Can you come here and quote First Peter chapter 2? No aka say na. So who see Bible name nyame say? And I say no, Peter say we have to obey the government. Now, who see Bible name nyame say? And to bet you have a say, oh boy, Peter boy. May obey government na. Ubetimi abekasa. Say usi Bible no intro. Ubetimi abekasa na. Bosi, can you come and say that? The Bible is the word of God. And the Peter can say no. Obwa. Munni government bia no one is obey. Say na oka. Ubetimi abekana sa na. You see whether you will not be arrested. It just say emrao. onyankopɔ mani pamra Bible no say won tie ase a different case because so me Bible ni dia metima ka say contradiction. Of course, so I can say that's contradiction. Maybe I'll know how to interpret it. Of course. And you know, say interpretation na obese obi afa. I didn't just say Bible no contradiction. No. Won ti ase. Passage Biblia okotu ni nyina, okotu ase enra say enra say maintain nyina be o say something go to gambling. No, something or you know until it wasn't even gambling, it was a riddle and something puzzle and on my something get puzzle riddle who know what the riddle nyasa sem na o hwese o wait me ehunu krana na ana first ni no eye Philippine ni no omo the pressure ko see so either than no so that something because something or you be or yemre one thing na ko man hodi or say Tyson one no wa hodi is not it cannot control his passion or co prison grab etina sa something who sa na da no so that something na something catch no ko catch na something say sanity there okay the word the spirit of came to something no and what it burning the word spirit of God is used 7 times in the Old Testament, 5 times in the New Testament. Jephthah, the Spirit of God came to Jephthah. It came to Jephthah. Then he blew the trumpet, and then Abiathar came. It is that phrase, you know. Anytime Biana, I want to be Steve Muno, no akoye. Yes, way. Until Musa no say, until Mumma that mire. And Mumu will say, because something no him say, Ubi no be Musa ready no. And you ready no any gambling. I just say you did who did a gambling there be then no who the gambling them because what make say I deal with Mr. Medina we say okay you far a kind so on say who the gambling na be shame betting a be shame but actually no it now who did no any gambling and you ready no mind and no promise you but you go see say almost the pressure to the so either than no so better than seven say and something say sadia okay no makoku nkofo no Jesus gbese no be ma wo o si wakoto gambling and onyakopo hwe no onyakopo hwe wa obia wo ni talent but on control onyakopo on one boy party need to say global to ko hanu atwe wa my free will because emra ho wa my emra upa diso and na Joshua kai no o say Israel choose ye between yourself and God whom you will serve, but me and my family we will serve the God onyakopo amobia the liberty the power of choice no akoko to Deuteronomy 21 I say virgins obi akwalaya ade asi nkuno Moses tie Israel for omedu we say no Moses from nyina anu akopon ka kire kasa kire no say then what the Lord has said we will obey. They made a covenant with us that they will obey anu akopon ma omumra. But can you human being stand up and ask you potter, can you ask the potter, why have you make me this way? So be ma onyakopo bo bi na se ni o ma tikesi a wo betima be abekizu onyakopo. God has the right to kill. Onyakopo has the right to do whatever you want because he the one who created you. And you ultimate question when I say I didn't know or ma mra say akola ebonia. That is what he give them and that's what they say they will obey. So what is your problem there? If you don't want to obey that if you don't believe it, that is your part. Because so case emready what they are, then you don't need. Enti oniano there is law. Onyakopo my Bible no. Say you ni so. Na eniti na nipa de seni no. Yes ya de yetimi I mean enya sakrata no. Na so ye de emra ma ye ho no. Ba me de ma won hwe say ye nka say emra na wo Ghana no amafo ndi suntu no ye twam no bia ye no pe. Na won hwe ti na Ghana be ye. Mo ye nka. Obi fa Bible na so ye kwasase ma ne chese pom. Ba jeji nipa de seni. Omayemra Yesu Christo by wa mayemra wa open this wa open this wa open main this at the judgment day no heaven no enye for so nipa nko ho pa ana obeko umpa no ejai enye by force o ko am force obi aso obi ni na asem no so entino mo mi ndwi hu yu na mo obi medada ye na nia mo si kan de so we share the beginning na ne o start here na utum say open baby open baby din ti ase o hwe Ghana come wo ho o ye ni nyina because o hwe oba o si say me ni we ndi na for say twa no ha baby o mi ji o tesa me ji baby tesa o no say di nyina no chance open no ja won so nya sika of course and you know there's no difference between him and one guitar Bible now o reading Toronto. There's no difference between him and them. But on say Ghana be enti Bible na sinti no kasa na okotukotu nkofobia o di Bible no da nipa na no. And it say obi the Bible no ye ade a bone and it say the Bible support what he's doing. And no na person obeka say no mo ye no sa na Bible no kan na. That is what you need to come and do. And me obi no more obi a nada o bi wa dream na Onyankopon be bu yaten. So obviously Onyankopon emu obi aten there. Okay, go on and do whatever you want. But at the end, at the judgment day, you will see. Onyankopon come, no come, no kan nyina ho. O Yesu di. Amen.